Oh shit, I'm sliding everywhere. Ah, sliding. Mother Nature, bring it on, baby. Check this out, it's up to my knee, guys. Whew. Today, we're gonna be exercising in a snowstorm. Mother Nature mean business, you guys. Oh well, let's go. Alright, so obviously I'm not gonna be able to ride my bike today. Holy shit. Snow is crazy. God damn. Snow is crazy, you guys. How you doing? Good, good. So yeah, guys, so obviously there's no riding bicycles today. That would be a dumb idea. There's no way I could ride on this. That's what I get for asking Mother Nature to bring it on. She did. She brought it, guys. She brought it. I'm gonna try to go for that jog anyway. See how that would feel. Try to get a little jogging. Holy shit. It's slippery, guys. I'm slipping. There's no way I could jog to this, but I'm gonna try anyway. I'm gonna try to jog to the track. Woohoo! Slippery. Yeah. Alright, Mother Nature, respect. You brought it. But we're still out here. We're still getting our exercise. It's just a different type of exercise. Woohoo! It's crazy out here, man. Damn. But it feels good. It's like I'm doing a moonwalk jog. My foot keeps slipping, keeps sliding. But yo, that's not too bad actually. Whew. I could have did this without the jacket on. But let's keep going. The boys is out there. And we jogging. We jogging, baby. Whew. It's probably not a good idea to be out here jogging, but we're doing it. Okay. Whew. The cops are probably looking at me like crazy. What the hell is he doing here? Holy shit. We got some cars. They stuck up on the hill, sliding and shit. I'll be careful so this guy don't come to me. But we're out here, baby. We're out here. Woo! Ain't no stopping. I don't care what nobody says. Whew. Let's go, baby. Let's go. How you doing? All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We got this. Whew. Oh shit. Exercising in the snow. Nope. I take that back. Exercising in a snowstorm. Woohoo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woohoo. We got this, baby. Everybody nodding. The car that just passed by, he was like, yeah. We got this, baby. We got it. Whew. Oh shit, I'm sliding everywhere. Ah, sliding. Mother Nature, bring it on, baby. Yeah. I'm gonna take my jacket off when I get to the track. Whew. I forgot to bring my water too. It would have turned into ice anyway. We got this. Exercising in the storm. Mother Nature, I love you. Woohoo! Sliding when it's blowing. Temperature dropping. Woo. Let's check this out, guys. Woo. It's a mess out here. Oh, we're almost there. Woohoo! Damn. The fact that it's slippery makes it way harder to jog. When I get to the track, I'm just gonna do my pull-ups and my push-ups, and then that's it. Straight at me. Ah, God. And of course, there's nobody at the track. It's all white. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do anything. So I'm definitely gonna do my push-ups and my pull-ups when I get there. And then we're gonna jog back home, baby. Oh shit, that shit is deep. Check out how deep it is, guys. Alright, we're obviously not gonna be able to jog. Snow is too deep. Let's go do the pull-ups though. Beautiful scenery. The snow is... The weatherman didn't lie this time. Meteorologists, they got it right this time. It's really snowing like crazy. Whew. We got this, baby. We're the only one here. It's gonna be our only footsteps in this. Here. Try to get my pull-ups in. Hopefully the camera stays afloat. Yes, it does. All right, let's go. Mother Nature, thank you for bringing it on. Thank you. Thank you for helping me challenge myself. Woo. Let's do some more pull-ups. Let's go. Having a good time, are you? I'm also checking to see if the camera is still recording, but yeah, it is. Haha. Woo! So unfortunately there is too much snow on the track for me to jog, so I'm gonna jog back home like I did coming here. But I'm gonna try to do the push-ups right here in the snow while I'm here. I'm gonna have to dip my hands in there. Hey, it is what it is, man. It's just testing us. This is just me preparing myself mentally, physically, and emotionally for what's to come. So if you stay tuned, you will know exactly what's coming. But let's do it. Let's do 24 push-ups straight, because like I said, every month I'm gonna add one push-up. So for the month of, every week I add a push-up. We started with 20 and we did 4 weeks, so we're up to 24 now. Let's go. My head. Let's go, baby, let's go. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, Mother Nature. Let's go, baby, let's go. You know what? I'm gonna try to do 5 more pull-ups. And then we're gonna jog back home. Let's go. Let's go back home. Whew. I like the challenge. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna start jogging right here until I get home. Yo. Shit. This shit is crazy. But we got this. Shit is, check this out. It's up to my knee, guys. Whew. Let's do this. We're out of here. We're ready. You know what I learned today? Jogging in the snow is the hardest thing ever, because you're sliding as you jog. Makes it harder. On top of that, it's very windy. I'm in the middle of a storm and we're doing this. We got this, baby. Let's go. We got it. Nothing can stop us. Whew. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We got this. There's no way I would have been able to ride my bike. It's too slippery out here. They're cleaning up. We got this, you guys. What I realized though is that I didn't need the jacket. Even though it's cold out here, I don't really need the jacket. All right, I'm gonna stop talking now. It makes it harder to jog. I gotta breathe. Woo! I'm running low on energy, but we're not giving up. We can't. We're going up the hill. It's not getting any easier. Whew. But we're not stopping. We can't stop. Some people are looking at me crazy, and some people are like, yeah, you go, boy. We're almost there, we can't give up. Oh shit. Let's try not to fall. We got a vehicle behind us. Alright, over here is not too bad. We have traction. We got traction now, baby. Easier. We're not too far from home. Let's go. There's a car behind me, I gotta let it go. Let it pass. We go somewhere I could get some traction again. Woo! I don't know if I should edit this one. I might just let the whole thing play out so that you can see how it really was. What it was really like to come out here in a snowstorm and exercise and jog, do some pull-ups, do some push-ups. We're almost there, baby, we're almost there. Oh, back to the snow again. where there's no traction. It's killing my back right now. But let's not think about the pain. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. No traction. It's killing my back. But fuck it. Excuse my language. I'm just trying to make sure I don't stop. I just trying to make sure I keep on going. Do not quit. That's the lesson here. To not quit. We're not gonna quit. We're not quitting, baby. Fuck. My back is killing me. But let's keep going. We gotta keep on going. Whew. We're almost there. Shit. Almost there. Let's go. Almost. How you doing? Let's go, let's go. We got this. We're almost there. What's going on, man? Hi. Yeah. Fuck yeah, baby, we made it. It's my car, guys. Right now it's just sitting there. Oh gosh, we made it. My nose is running. My back is killing me. We made it.